we're in May. So April's done, first 30 days. I gotta take measurements, see if there are noticeable differences. I know there's not in the weight category, so see how the next 30 days goes, because this is more about lifestyle changes and just doing the right things. So if there's progress to share, I'll share. But anyway, I want to talk about a topic I don't think gets enough conversation. And this world of data-driven analytics or data-driven decision-making, which, is, when you're talking about decisions that have millions of dollars in consequences or can impact the lives of many, many people, having data to back up decisions is important. I think it was World War II General Omar Bradley who coined the phrase, "God we trust, all others bring data." So what happens when you don't have the data to support your decisions? Well, in project management, we have a tool and technique called Expert Judgement. And loosely defined, it is that collection of skills, expertise, your background. It's your gut that we use as kind of like the miscellaneous catch-all when during planning and estimation, we've made a decision and we can't pinpoint why. There's no data to back it up. It's just the PM making a decision. And it's extremely important because if you need to document it in your governance, in your planning activities, so stakeholders understand that not everything has some kind of data behind it to make a decision. When I went through my master's risk management, the professor made us read this book, Malcolm Gladwell's Blink, and I was enthralled. I'd never read anything by Malcolm Gladwell at that point, so I was deeply into it. But what I took away from it was there's not always data to support our decisions. That as experts, we have to just trust our instincts. We have to trust our gut, because subconsciously, there's a viewing going on there where consciously we're not aware of it, we're not in tune with it. So that nagging feeling in your gut, that's your subconscious that was paying attention when you weren't. So trust your gut, but in those cases where you have data that counters your decision or goes contrary to what you were thinking, expert judgment, right? I do that every now and again with Google Maps. I'm like, no, I don't think I want to go that route. I go this way. So anyway, expert judgment is very important. Document that you're using it. It's a miscellaneous item for project management. And no pressure, no diamonds.